Have you ever thought about watching TikTok videos for cash? Many people watch TikTok videos just to pass time, others watch it for fun. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you this amazing website that is going to pay you just to watch TikTok videos. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below so that this video reaches out to everyone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe guys if you are new to this channel. I'm going to share with you this website and how to use it, how to register on this website so that you guys can earn money just by watching TikTok videos. Now let's get started. Now guys, here is the website. I'm going to share with you how to register and apply so that you can be approved to work with this company. I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to register and apply on this website. But guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The more you like the video, the more the video reaches out to everyone who needs it. Now guys, let's get started. So this is the website guys. You will be earning between $25 to $40 an hour per hour guys. You are going to be earning $25 to $40 every hour you work on this website, and it's fully remote. So you work from everywhere and anywhere you are. No matter where you are guys, you can work with this company. There is no experience required guys. There is no experience required to work with this company. You don't need any experience to work with this company. Now guys, here are the requirements you need. Here are the requirements you need to work with this company. You must have access to at least one of the following devices guys. You need to have an iPhone. You need to have an iPhone, iPad, Android smartphone or Android tablet. In case you have one guys, you can work with this company. So at least everyone has a smartphone. So guys, everyone can work with this company. So keep the video to the end. I'm going to share with you how to register and apply for this job to watch TikTok videos then get paid. Then guys, after pressing there, they are going to bring you this form and you need to fill it so that you can submit it and then you apply for this job. So guys, first of all, you need to add your country. You need to add your country. So me, I'm from Uganda. I'm going to search from Uganda for Uganda. So I'm from Uganda. I'm done selecting Uganda. Guys, make sure you watch this video to the end because you have to fill this form the right way. If you do any mistake, you will not get this job guys. So do you have internet connection? Do you have internet connection? That is the question number 2. You need to press on yes, because if you don't have internet connection, if you press on no, they will not give you this job because you need to have internet connection so that you can get this job. You press on yes. Do you own a smartphone, tablet, computer or notebook? Make sure you press on anything you have. Make sure you press on these 3 up here. So guys, make sure you press on smartphone, tablet or computer. So me, I'm going to choose smartphone. I'm going to choose smartphone. I'm going to choose smartphone right there guys. Make sure you press on smartphone or computer or tablet, anything you have. How many hours a week do you have available? Make sure guys you add 6 hours. Guys, you add 6 hours. Make sure you add 6 hours. You add 6 hours guys. Make sure you add 6 hours. You need to add your name, email and your phone number. Make sure you add those also. After that, press on submit form. Press on submit form.
Congratulations, you have just been approved in our selection process to become a professional video reviewer, which means that you have all the prerequisites to start in the role. Congratulations. Now
guys, I'm done registering and filling the form. Then guys, you press down here, I want to work as a professional video reviewer. But guys, make sure you do enough research on this website before joining and start working with it. Make sure you also do your research about it. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.